In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Forms, how to see who responded and analyze or download data. Quick tutorial. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and signing in with your account. On your Forms homepage, find the form you want to review and select it to open the editor. We'll focus on the responses area, which is where all your results and analysis tools live. At the top, switch to the Responses tab. Here you'll see an overview of how many submissions you've received and a set of tools for digging into the data. If you want to look at one person's submission at a time, choose View Results. This shows the full set of answers for a single respondent along with their submission time and, if your form was set to record it, their name or email. Use the left and right arrows to move through each submission quickly, which is especially helpful when you want to spot check or verify specific responses. Back on the Main Responses tab, you'll notice that Microsoft Forms automatically builds charts and graphs for every question. This summary view is great for a quick snapshot of trends, things like percentages for multiple choice questions or counts for ratings. Hover your mouse over any chart segment to see more detail, such as exact counts or percentages. If you want to dive deeper into a single question, click More Details under that question to open a list of all submissions specific to that prompt. This is a handy way to review OpenText answers side by side or to see exactly how people chose among options without leaving the summary page. If you prefer to focus on particular people, use the Check Individual Results option on the right side to jump straight to a specific respondent's full submission. This is useful when following up on a particular entry or verifying data for someone who reached out to you. Keep in mind, visibility of names or emails depends on your form and organization settings. If you didn't collect that information, results may appear anonymous. When you're ready to take your analysis further, click Open in Excel on the Responses tab. Forms will download an .xlsx file that includes all responses, timestamps, and, when collected, email addresses. Open this file in Excel to filter, sort, create pivot tables, chart your results, or combine the data with other sources for deeper analysis. It's a reliable way to archive your results or share them with teammates who need structured data. That's it. Now you can see who responded, review answers individually or in summary, and export everything for advanced analysis.